Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg and welcome you all on an Academy Catalyst. So this is Quant and Important Short Tricks by Dipanshu Garg. It's me and this is trick 15. And today I will discuss one more important trick. Okay, so if anyone planning to join an Academy Plus or Iconic, so these are the benefits of Iconic: personal mentor, test analysis, OMETS preparation, and all benefits of Plus are included. And also get mentored by top graduates from top B school. And these are the learners of CAT 2020 who score more than 99%. So you could be the next in CAT 2021. Okay, and everyone enroll now. These are the upcoming batches for CAT 2021, and everyone enroll now. Okay, so weekly scholarship test. These are the benefit of scholarship test. Take it live to compete with the best. India's largest scholarship test for CAT. Super fast and fun with All India live leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions. Next combat goes live on the upcoming Sunday, 12 pm. Register now for free and win a scholarship up to rupees 55 lakh. If you want to join this, so first download an Academy app and then apply this code to unlock this Unacademy combat. Okay, if you want to unlock this Unacademy combat, so apply referral code GURGLIVE to unlock this. Okay, and this is completely free. And now ask a doubt feature in Unacademy app. If you have any doubt, just click the picture and send your doubt. You will get the solution. Okay, now this is the question of last class homework question. Okay, Meena scored 40% in an examination, and after review, even her score is increased by 50%. So what he's saying, I just left in this exam the total score was 100x. The total score is 100x, right? And Meena scored 40%. Meena scored 40%. So 40% is what? Meena scored 40x. After review, even though her score is increased by 50%. After review, her score is increased by 50%. So her score increased by 50%. 50% of 40 is 20. So her score increased by 20x. That means her score becomes 60x. But still, she fails by 35 marks. But still, she fails by 35 marks. That means the marks required to pass is 60x plus 35. Now, he is saying if her post review score is increased by 20%, if her post review score is increased by 20%, 60x increased by 20%, so it becomes 72x. If her post review score increased by 20%, she will fail by 7 she will have 7 marks more than the pass score. That means now she have 7 marks more than pass marks. So 72x minus 7 equals to what? Pass marks. The percentage score needed for passing the examination. The score needed to passing the examination is the pass marks are 60x plus 35. Also, the pass marks is 72x minus 7. These two are equal. Now take this minus 7 to this side. 35 plus 7, this is 42. 60x to this side, this is 12x. So you will get the value of x is what? 42 by 12. So this is 6 2 just 12, 6 7 just 42. So the value of x is 7 by 2, that means 3.5. So the value of x is 3.5, right? If the value of x is 3.5 and I require the percentage score needed to pass the examination, the score needed to pass is 60x plus 35, and I know the value of x is 3.5. Value of x is 3.5. Value of x is 3.5. uh, 1 second. The value of x is 3.5. So 35 will be equals to what? 10x. So 10x more required. So 60x plus 10x, 70x. So 70x is required to pass the examination. 70x matlab 70% of 100x. So the percentage score needed for passing the examination is 70x. That means 70%. Now clear to everyone? So this is the easy question, right? But little bit calculative, right? Now one more question everyone try to solve. This is trick 15. This is trick 15, and in this question, how to solve? The number of girls appearing for an admission test is twice the number of boys. In an examination admission test, the number of girls appeared are double of number of boys. If the boys are one, then the girls are two, because the girls are twice. So I let the total number of girls is 200 and the total number of boys is 100. Right now, what is given here? 30% of the girls and 45% of the boys get admission. These are the person who these are the student who appeared, right? Who appeared now? 30% of the girls, 30% of the girls, 30%, that means 60 girls, and 45% of the boys. 45% of 100 is 45. So total is 105 students get admission, right? So the percentage of candidates who do not get admission, the total appeared are 300, and who got admission is 105. Then how many student? 195 student who do not get admission out of 300 into 100. So this is divided by this. So 195 divided by 3, this is 65. So 65% student do not get admission, right? So this is 65%. Now the next one. Next question everyone try to solve. Out of the shirts produced in a factory, 15% are defective. Let total shirts produced in the factory is 100x, right? Now 15% are defective, so defective are 15x, while 20% of the rest are sold in domestic market. The rest are 85x. One second. So now, if rest are sold in the domestic market, they go 20% of the rest are sold in domestic market. 20% domestic sale in domestic market is 20% of 85x. That means 17x is sold in the domestic market. If the remaining 8,840, the remaining are 75 minus 85 minus 17, 68x, and the value of 68x are left for exports. Value of 68x is 8840. Clear? Then everyone tell me the value of x. Then everyone tell me the what is the value of x here. So you will get the value of x if you divide 8840 by 68. You will get the answer. X equals to how much? 130. The number of shirts produced in the factory is 100 into 130. So this is 13,000. So that's a simple question, everyone. I think everyone can solve this question, right? Now, assignment of the day, and everyone try to solve this question. Important question, and these questions are CAT previous year questions. All three questions are CAT previous year questions. So everyone try to solve these questions. I think this question is already done. Sorry everyone, this question is already done. Okay, no problem. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. And if you want to join Unacademy Plus, so apply referral code. If you want to join Unacademy Plus, just apply referral code GURGLIVE to join Unacademy Plus. And like and subscribe to this channel, everyone. So, thank you, everyone. Bye bye.